If you're looking for a way to elevate your manicure game, you need a high-quality manicure kit that covers all your nail care needs. Whether you're a beginner or a professional, having the right tools can make all the difference. In this video, we're going to review 5 of the best manicure kits on the market today. From nail clippers to cuticle pushers, these kits will have everything you need for the perfect at-home manicure. Let's dive into the details and find the right one for you. Kicking off our list at number 1, Harperton Nail Clipper Set. The Harperton Nail Clipper Set is a professional-grade nail care kit designed for people who want precision, quality, and durability. This set includes 2 high-performance nail clippers, one for fingernails and one for toenails, both crafted with ergonomic handles and razor-sharp blades for effortless trimming. Whether you're dealing with thick toenails or delicate fingernails, this set promises a comfortable experience, offering a precise and clean cut every time. Key features: the Harperton Nail Clipper Set boasts a few standout features. First, the clippers are made of stainless steel, which ensures longevity and resistance to rust. The blades are precisely calibrated to cut through nails cleanly without crushing or splitting. The ergonomic handles are coated with a soft-touch material for a non-slip grip, which is especially useful for individuals with arthritis or limited hand strength. Additionally, the set comes with a premium travel case for safe storage. Benefits and usage: this manicure kit excels in both professional and personal use. The sharp blades allow for a smooth, quick trim, reducing the risk of jagged edges. For those with thick toenails or brittle nails, this kit's design ensures that you can trim and shape your nails with ease. Plus, its compact size makes it travel-friendly, so you can take your nail care on the go. Regular use of these clippers can lead to healthier nails by preventing overgrowth and ensuring proper nail maintenance. Usability: using the Harperton Nail Clipper Set is a breeze. The ergonomic handles provide ample leverage, making it easy to maneuver the clippers without straining your hands. The sharpness of the blades ensures that each cut is precise, and the handle's non-slip grip provides control for accurate trimming. Whether you're cutting your fingernails, toenails, or dealing with tough nails, this set is designed to deliver excellent results with minimal effort. It's suitable for both beginners and experienced users. Durability: durability is one of the strongest points of the Harperton Nail Clipper Set. Made from high-quality stainless steel, the clippers resist rust and corrosion, making them ideal for long-term use. The solid construction ensures that the clippers remain sharp over time, even with regular use. Additionally, the travel case helps protect the clippers from damage, allowing them to last for years. With proper care, these clippers are sure to serve you for a long time. In the second spot, we have Zizzili Basics Manicure Kit. The Zizzili Basics Manicure Kit is a complete, high-quality nail care kit that includes all the essential tools you need for professional-grade manicures and pedicures. This set contains a variety of instruments such as nail clippers, tweezers, cuticle pushers, and a nail file, all neatly organized in a durable, compact case. Designed with convenience and functionality in mind, this kit is perfect for individuals who want an all-in-one solution for their nail care needs. Key features: the Zizzili Basics Manicure Kit comes with 9 tools in total, including a nail clipper, nail scissors, cuticle pusher, tweezers, a nail file, and a metal cuticle trimmer. All tools are crafted from high-quality stainless steel, providing a long-lasting, rust-resistant finish. The ergonomic handles of the tools are designed for comfort, offering a secure grip during use. Additionally, the set includes a stylish travel case, allowing for easy storage and portability. Benefits and usage: the Zizzili Basics Manicure Kit provides everything you need to maintain healthy and beautiful nails at home. The nail clippers and scissors allow for precise cutting, while the cuticle pusher and trimmer help to clean up the nail bed, making your manicure look professional. The included tweezers are great for removing unwanted hair around the nails, and the nail file helps shape nails to your desired length. This all-in-one kit makes it easy to achieve salon-like results without the high cost. Usability: the tools in the Zizzili Basics Manicure Kit are intuitive and easy to use. The clippers and scissors are sharp and efficient, ensuring a clean cut with minimal effort. The cuticle pusher and trimmer work together to ensure that your cuticles are neat and tidy, giving your nails a clean and polished appearance. The ergonomic handles make each tool comfortable to use, allowing for precise control. Overall, this kit is suitable for both beginners and experienced users who want to keep their nails looking great. Durability: the Zizzili Basics Manicure Kit is built to last. Each tool is made from high-quality stainless steel, ensuring that the set remains rust-free and strong even with regular use. The ergonomic handles are durable and comfortable, and the tools themselves are easy to clean and maintain. The included travel case adds an extra layer of protection, ensuring that the tools stay in excellent condition for years. With proper care, this kit can provide long-term service and remain in great shape. Coming in at number 3 is the Beurer Manicure Pedicure Set. The Beurer Manicure Pedicure Set is a premium kit designed for both manicure and pedicure care. This electric nail care set includes a motorized device with multiple attachments, such as nail files, buffing heads, and cuticle pushers, to help you achieve professional-level results at home. Whether you need to trim, buff, file, or polish, the Beurer kit offers versatile features for all your nail care needs. Key features: the Beurer Manicure Pedicure Set features a powerful motor that provides gentle yet effective results. It includes 10 different attachments, allowing you to perform various tasks like filing, shaping, buffing, and polishing your nails. The ergonomic design of the device ensures comfort while you work, and it operates with a quiet, smooth action. The set also includes a handy storage case to keep the tools organized and protected when not in use. Benefits and usage: this kit is ideal for those looking for an electric solution to their manicure and pedicure routine. The motorized device makes nail care faster and more efficient, with the various attachments catering to different nail needs. The buffing heads help smooth the surface of the nails, while the file attachments provide an even finish. The cuticle pushers and trimmers allow for precise cuticle care, making this set perfect for achieving professional results at home. Usability: the Beurer Manicure Pedicure Set is incredibly user-friendly, with intuitive controls and a comfortable grip. The motorized device is lightweight and easy to handle, making it suitable for anyone, even those new to electric nail care kits. The different attachments are easy to swap out, and the included instructions guide you through the proper use of each tool. Overall, this kit simplifies the process of manicure and pedicure care, making it accessible to users of all skill levels. Durability: the Beurer Manicure Pedicure Set is built with quality materials to ensure long-lasting durability. The motor is reliable and runs smoothly, while the attachments are made of high-quality materials that can withstand regular use. The kit storage case helps keep everything organized and protected, further extending the lifespan of the tools. With proper care, this kit can serve you for many years, providing consistent performance and professional results each time.